We are here at 55 Chai Chee Drive, where Decathlon, Harvey Norman outlet stores, and Bedok Mall is just 5 minutes drive away. Today, we're looking at a 75 square meter 3-room HDB flat with a recently renovated kitchen, with many schools nearby, such as St. Stephen, Opera Estate Primary, and Red Swastika School. And for all you health enthusiasts out there, East Coast Park and Bedok Reservoir is just a 15-minute cycle away. But what I love about this high-floor unit is the stunning view. Imagine stepping outside of your home every day to this. Welcome to Block 55 Chai Chee Drive.